very small amount of garnish on top of rice. And this is saffron rice.
I feel really hungry today. And as well, we can upload this video on YouTube. I should ask my dad. Oh, you're already here. I didn't recognize. Daddy, can you make something today because I feel really hungry?
Oh my god. Okay, no problem. I will prepare a very nice rice dish for you.
Ooh.
Okay, this is called saffron rice. Let's go to the kitchen. I will prepare you a very good rice.
Yes,
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
You know, really you like it.
Really?
You remember that yesterday I prepared mutton curry? Mutton curry with this rice, really amazing. It's a very good combination for rice.
Oh yes, I forgot it.
You forget, I have something here for you.
Yeah? Oh,
I keep
yes.
this in my fridge.
Oh,
Alright?
nice.
Okay, I will show you the ingredients. Come with me.
Then Dad, now in the kitchen, can you introduce them to the ingredients?
Okay, I will show the ingredients of saffron rice. I am using 2 cups of basmati rice, which is very good quality, saffron, pure ghee, salt, 1 piece red onion, 2 pieces of cinnamon sticks, 2 pieces of bay leaves, 5 pieces of cardamom, 10 pieces of cloves. Also I am using fresh coriander leaves. For making saffron rice, first we have to soak the dry saffron into lukewarm water.
But why? Why should we soak the saffron?
Because the saffron is dry herbs. Okay, so we have to put lukewarm water to extract the flavor of the saffron. It will give you more flavor of the saffron rice.
Oh,
right. Take a small bowl and add a small pinch of saffron into the bowl. Then we have to pour a small amount of lukewarm water into the dry saffron. Then you have to wait at least 5 minutes. I have to soak the rice into water at least 15 minutes. Soak the rice at least 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we have to wash the rice at least 2 times. Then the rice, we need to drain the water from the rice. Then we have to keep it another 15 minutes for drying the rice. Next, heat the pan. Actually, I am using ghee for 2 spoons. If you want to change into sunflower oil also, no problem. Okay, I am using 2 spoons of pure ghee. Okay, when the ghee starts melting, I am going to add only red onion. When the red onion turn into brown color, completely brown color, I have to shift into another container. Onion completely brown color,
Yes.
So I need to remove from here and shift into a small plate.
Oh,
This is
it's really crispy.
yeah, this is like crispy onions I just using for the garnish. Now I'm using the same pan for saute the rice. Make sure you need to reduce the flame. Then we have to saute the rice very gently. Okay, so make sure the rice, see the after 5 minutes the rice start crackling, which means rice almost ready. Then we have to add the hot water into the rice. See the rice almost ready. Now see the rice start crackling now. So remember that earlier I used 2 cups of rice. So if you want to cook the rice, you have to add 3 cups of water. I mean the boiled water. 1, 2, and 3 cups of boiled water. Then also you remember that. So these are the herbs I need to add all the herbs. The water. Then we have to add around 1.5 spoon of salt. Also, remember we soak the saffron in the water, lukewarm water. So I will going to put around half the water into the rice. Then mix it very well. Now rice almost ready. See, there is no water at the moment. This time we have to add the rest of the saffron on top of this. Okay, scattered everywhere. Then small amount of fried onions on top. Immediately you have to reduce the flame into very low. Okay, then cover it. Cover and cook around 15 minutes. Yes, rice almost ready. I will show the rice consistency. Yeah, the rice is look nice. Yes, perfectly cooked rice. Yeah, very nice. Okay, so now I'll go and shift the rice in the plate.
Oh, that is really fresh.
Yeah, look the rice. Very nice saffron rice.
Definitely.
I'll give a very small amount of garnish on top of rice. And this is saffron
Time of
rice.
eating our saffron rice with the mutton curry has finally come. So Dad, could you please pour some for both of us?
Okay. Have a more. See.
Okay.
Okay, just try this.
Yeah. So you can use some curry, please.
More curry.
Yeah. Okay, so let's try eating then. So next time. Oh, a bone. It tastes really hot and really good.
You like it?
Definitely.
Okay, guys. As usual, please follow my recipe and try your food and let me know as a comments.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your support which you have given to us till now. And please try it at your home. It's really good.